Hey there friends, welcome to the video. Hope you are doing really good today. And in this video, I'm going to talk about Killer Whales, which is a new reality TV show where crypto projects battle it out to get angel investor funding. It's shot in Hollywood in Los Angeles, and the show is going to be broadcast to over 55 countries across the world's biggest streaming platforms, including the Hello TV app. I'm going to look at who's in this show and also the Hello token, and take a look as well at why this project is not going to benefit just the people who hold the Hello token, but all of crypto. This is their site, and you can see the show is taking inspiration from Shark Tank. Contestants will pitch their crypto and NFT projects to a panel of industry expert judges referred to as whales. The goal is to receive as many swim votes and as few sink votes as possible from the judges to stand a chance of topping the series leaderboard and being crowned the series winner. The show is co-produced by CoinMarketCap, and about Hello Labs, they say Hello Labs is the future of crypto and entertainment, creating TV shows, games, NFTs, and much more. The ecosystem is built on the Hello token, allowing exclusive access to watch our shows and play our games. Hello is available on both BNB and ETH networks. And a bit of background about Hello: it's founded by Paul Kastlin, the Grammy-nominated creative director of the MTV Video Music Awards. Hello Labs seeks to introduce a Web 2 meets Web 3 experience that guides even the most basic of users to take their first step of owning a digital asset, playing Web 3 games or watching exclusive shows. The idea behind Hello Labs is to make really engaging and entertaining shows that traditionally a Web 2 audience might just watch on Netflix or just TV, but use it in a Web 3 way, and also to bring those people from Web 2 to Web 3 in a very seamless way. They have some pretty impressive partnerships, including BitGet as their official global search partner. And BitGet was recently at the Australian Crypto Convention looking for projects that could be included in Season 2 of Killer Whales, as Season 1 has already wrapped and is set to air in early Q1 of 2024. They also have a deal with Sony Music to license music for their TV show and for their games, and also a lot of partnerships with a lot of influential and experienced people who do act as the killer whales, who are basically going to be deciding the fate of the projects that come onto the show. And you can see here the judges. There's Mario Norfall, he's the founder of Athena Group. Ilada Producer, who's worked on 12 Platinum Grammy nominated albums. Anthony Scaramucci, who's really big in the world of investing and finances. Ryan Newer, who's the founder of Crypto Banter. Gracie Chen, who's the managing director of BitGet. Kevin Sonai, who's a comedian and a content creator. Yevhenia Broshevan, who's the co-founder of Hacken. NFT God, who's an analyst. Wendy O, who's a technical analyst. And Austin and Aaron Arnold, who are the creators of Altcoin Daily. Here's the chart for the ETH pairing, and you can also get it paired with BNB. Both charts pretty much look pretty similar. You can see that the pump is already starting to happen, and it seems to be finding some level of support at the moment. And because they're already scouting for Season 2, they're obviously pretty confident of how Season 1 is going to go, and that is probably going to see a lot more people buying this token so they can actually watch it and get to know a lot more about these new projects that are coming up. So with Web 3, there's been a lot of games that are trying to get the Web 2 audience, but that is sort of quite tricky because games take a lot longer and they're traditionally a lot more expensive. So I'm surprised that it's actually taken this long for, sort of mass appeal entertainment to come in, and this would be a first. Well, you would actually think that, but there is another show coming out called Crypto Hunters, which is a show following people in a crypto treasure hunt for a $1 million prize pool. And this is set to get in front of the eyes of 500 million households. So if you want mass adoption and fresh liquidity coming into the market, then this is probably going to have a big influence on that. Hello Labs is a great project, and you can just think of it as a production house, but it's a Web 3 production house instead of a Web 2 production house. And this is quite significant because they are bringing out games, but sort of like their flagship product, I guess, so to speak, is the Killer Whales. And it is really good that they are doing something which a Web 2 audience is going to be able to resonate with, which is actually a lot quicker and a lot cheaper and a lot easier to do than to go through the whole production of creating a game And that's why things like this and also gambling are so big in crypto, because it doesn't take a lot of effort to actually get it to that same standard that people understand. It has a solid docs team behind it. Also, the tokenomics are good because most of the tokens are available to the public. And it also has an audit, which are all the sort of things you'd look out for with a solid project when it comes to security. And so we are in a bear market right now. And I've said in a lot of videos that, bear markets are for building for both us as investors and also projects. And so all the projects which are going right now, even if they're going along sideways, the fact that they are still here means they really are going to take off during the next market cycle. And the fact that if you look at this chart, it's basically sort of already starting to take off now, that's a really promising sign. And depending on the success of season 1, which I think it is going to see a lot of traction because they are already building season 2, it could see a lot more people coming into this project and buying the token. So I think the Hello token is a great thing to hold in your wallet if you do want to. It seems like a really solid project and a lot of big people are getting behind it. But obviously, don't take my word for it. Go and do your research as well so you can get a thorough, sort of understanding of the project yourself. I've left all the links below, and I'd really love to know, what do you think about this project, and what do you think the fact that it is one of the first sort of crypto mass entertainment projects that we are seeing, and the relatively sort of flying start that they're off to at the moment? I'd really love to know. Please leave a comment, and until next time, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.